These students at Nudu College are getting a lesson on how to prepare food, customer service and... you make a pretty good cup of coffee.
Thank you.
Ngani is a cafe, like a place to gather and chat and get some coffee and food.
It is a cafe that brings public together, but also has an opportunity for young people to work from our school.
Ngani Café, which means gathering place in Ghana, opened earlier this year at the school and is partly run by students.
My involvement is like doing coffees, front of house and a little bit of the back of house.
I do like a lot of the food stuff, like cooking and making sandwiches.
Hoping to provide a safe place for our young people to learn skills, develop confidence in employment.
Andrew Plasto is the head of the school and says these guys are learning a lot of great skills that could help them get a job in hospitality in the future.
I learn a lot about food safety and a lot about just being in a kitchen and stuff like that.
I'm trying to do the arts right now on the coffees. That was my first best one I did before.
The best part, working here counts towards their SACE, which is South Australia's high school certificate.
Our lesson is called Workplace Practices, where we research and put our learning from the cafe and our research towards our assignment, which then will eventually go towards SACE.
The cafe also utilises the school veggie patch, offering up a variety of native dishes.
A lot of the produce that we use comes from the garden. Sometimes we plan out what we want to grow and we plant it and we take care of it and then we harvest it.
The native ingredients that we use at the cafe is lemon myrtle, which is a great source of vitamin C and it's great for the immune system. The other native ingredients we use is muntries and it's like a little fruit, like an apple.
Why do you think it's important to use native foods?
So we can keep our culture around the school and bring more culture into the school.
These guys say the cafe has been a great way to prepare them for their future, as well as connect with the local community.
I think being taught all these skills at such a young age can then lead me to any pathway down in the future.
I'll get to talk to more people. I don't like talking to people much, but at school I do. I talk heaps at school.
I really want to go into a chef kind of career path, so I think here's a great place for me to start.